Alright, so boom. I know indie wrestling is incredibly weird, but it's starting to get ridiculous. This man pulled out a wacky waving inflatable penis weapon to attack his opponent. Homie grew up dreaming to become a wrestler, and here he is 17 years later, charging at his opponent with an inflatable penis. And to make matters worse, look at the delayed reaction.
Bruce!
How are you supposed to explain to your loved ones to come and support just for them to pop out and see you attack another man with a penis? Plus, it doesn't even make any sense. That's inflatable. There's no damage that can be done here. It's damn near a balloon this man's getting hit with. But somehow his opponent is selling like Shawn Michaels at SummerSlam 2005.
You want to see me take this hard dick in the ass?
And while we're at it, what is the obsession that the indies have with light tubes? I've been to Home Depot 6 times in 4 days and the light tubes are always out of stock, but these motherfuckers doing side slams into trampolines with light tubes. All this just to get paid with 2 bunless hot dogs, a bottled water, and a smile, and rumors said that mans who got slammed still kicked out at 2. In order to participate in this style of wrestling, you either gotta be a masochist, a sadist, or just want to die, cause this is ridiculous. Homie got jackknife powerbombed into light tubes covering a muddy grave. And this is just a regular Saturday. This ain't a championship match or nothing. Mick Foley and Terry Funk were doing these kinds of stunts in the 80s and 90s, but that was in stadiums and arenas. These motherfuckers getting their ass kicked in graveyards in front of 26 people. Who opens themselves up to willfully get impaled and they don't even have insurance? Look at this man's face. He's loving every minute of this. Bruised ribs, who cares? Ruptured spleen, who gives a shit? Collapsed lung.
I did it for the Rock. I did it for the people.
They having death matches in the middle of a mall. What is the purpose of this? Was that some sort of Spanish fly DDT into a light tube? I don't know what it is. All I know is it's unnecessary. This
Lady!
whipped this dude into a corner and he himself didn't want to throw his back into the light tube surfboard. Now look at him. Kidneys no longer functioning. Dialysis is in your future, buddy. And what the hell is this? What kind of light tube menorah is this?
Finish her!
I'll give them this. This is incredibly innovative. I've never seen it myself before. But who thought this was a good idea? But look at one half of the broken light tube ricochet out the ring. What happens when they hit somebody in the front row? I would hate to be dating one of these deathmatch wrestlers. Everywhere you go, people gonna think you a domestic abuser. They need to be stopped. You don't need all these props to get a pop. Everybody and their mama know this ain't wrestling. Call it what it really is. The Kumite.
The Kumite? Did you say Kumite? Uh-huh. The Kumite.
What's a kumite?
My butthole can't take that abuse!
You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm.
Do it! Just do it! Make your dreams come true!
Please! Please!
What are you waiting for, huh?
Oh my god.